Om represents the enlightened body, speech and mind. Ami represents the Buddha Amitabha. Deva represents the deva realms, 6 desire realms and Brahma realms. Hrih represents the seed, syllable of compassion. Om Ami Dewari is the sacred mantra of Amitabha, Amitayus. Buddha which protect you from barrier and risks and overcome all hindrances on your success. This chant is likewise known as Dharani for pulling out karmic obstruction via the root and acquiring a star inside the poor land. In Tibetan Vajrayana Buddhism, Buddha Amitabha, additionally called Amitayus or Amitabha, is considered one of the 5 Dhyani Buddha together with Amoghasiddhi, Akshobhya, Vairocana and Ratnasambhava are 5 wisdom of the Buddha, which related to the western root and the skandha of samsana, the aggregate of distinguishing and the deep cognizance of individualities. He is called interpreted as limitless light or infinite light, so he is likewise known as the Buddha of immeasurable life and light. Amitayus Buddha is the pinnacle of the lotus family. The circle of relatives consists of a number of the maximum famous Bodhisattva and Buddha, including Padmasambhava, Avalokitesvara, Tara, and Sakyamuni Buddha. As head of the Lotus One family, he works for the enlightenment of all beings, manifests boundless compassion, protecting and welcome all into his poor land, the Western paradise from wherein the attainment of enlightenment is sure. His most important enlightenment technique is the visualization of the surrounding world as a paradise, who sees his creation as a paradise, awakening his enlightenment energy. In Shingon Buddhism, Amida Buddha is seen as one of the 13 Buddhas to whom practitioners can pay homage. Shingon, one of the major schools of Buddhism in Japan, like Tibetan Buddhism, also use special mantras for Amitayus Buddha, through the mantras used to differ. In addition, he is also one of the Buddha featuring in the home realms, the metaphysical space inhabited by the wisdom kings, mandala used in the Shingon spiritual practices, and seat to the west, which is where the poor land of the Amitabha is said to dwell. In Vajrayana Buddhism, he is known for his longevity attribute, the aggregate of discernment, magnetizing red fire element, poor perception, and the deep awareness of emptiness, sunyata of phenomena.